watching the budget process closely.
Before he went to court at 6:50 or at 7:30, he was taken to you. Am I correct?
Correct. It will be massive, not only for us as a team, but you know what it will mean for the country as well.
Ahamba kahle malungiselelo maphokophoko njengoba athulana itulo neNew Zealand kumanqama endlebe yemhlaba yerugby kusasa. Kaba kuhle hlakala endzabeni teSiswati la SABC khumbula ukuthi sikhona ku X, Facebook na ku YouTube ngakuthi uthi SABC Tindzaba kwesibuka lethamba imbili lo muhla. Khumana na SABC News. Sishayele ngetindzaba letishisako. Tindzaba nje. Kusiluma indlebe talobanga ngitiphi tinkikathi nikhungethene ngomphakathi. Sishayele ku 011 714 6133 noma usithumele i-email ku news@sabc.co.za. I-SABC News. Live lakho itimele ayithathi hlangothi. Iqembu le-Daily nelibita kuhulumende ukuthi yehlise tinhlungu letibangwa kubita kwempilo kulamalanga. Lamuhla ekuseni leqembu lethula incwadi etikhala kumgcini mafa ePitoli ngaphambi kokwethula kwesabelomali sasekhathi neminyaka evile letako. Ingxenye letikhala ukuthi umgcini mafa ethule isigaba 77 semthethosivivinyo wetimali lesitawubuka abantu labaswele solo bachubeka necinzeteleka ngalesimo lesibi semnotho.
I-DA isole hulumende ngekungenti lokwanele kusita abamvu labadla imbuya ngeluthi. Letiphimiselo titangemuva kwekuthi takhamuti takuleli tikhale ngelizinga lelisetulu lekuphila lelimba ekucolo. Njengoba lisonzela lilanga leliphakelo timali lwasemkhathini neminyaka, i-DA ithi ilibuke ngeliso laloheya loliphakelo timali njengoba ifuna kubona tinguquko.
We will be watching the budget process closely. Dr. George, who is our shadow minister of finance, is going to be in that lockup with the minister, where they're going to be going line by line in the budget to see where are you spending your money.
Lisekela lemcondzise etikweni letimali stati Mngomezulu lemukele incwadi etikhalo lebuya ku-DA. Mngomezulu uthi utayindlulisela ehhovisi lendvuna yalelitiko.
I will relay the message to him. But I have acknowledged your memorandum, I have signed for it, and I will make sure that it reaches his office as soon as possible.
I-DA yendela ubite kuhulumende ukuthi ehlise emanani ekudla etitolo ikakhulukati kudla lokuthengwa kakhulu.
Kuleliveki iti-70 ngetulu kwamakhulu asihlanu etimayini Gold 1 eSprings empumalanga eJozi tichithe amalanga lamathathu ngaphansi emathunjini emhlaba kuloko lokuchazwa sambhikisho kulandzela ngabonekaso linye emkhatsini kwemcashi nenyunyana eti-70 AMCU. Le nyunyana ithi isinemalunga labanyenti lati-70 kule mayini kwendlula inoma. I-AMCU ithi yehlulekile kuthola kugunyatwa njengenyunyana lenkhulu yabona kukuhle kubhikisha ngalolu hlobo kutsimate umcashi abuke letikhalo tayo.
Ngemva kwemalanga lamathathu tisematfunjini emhlaba ti-70 te-Gold 1 tiphumile. Kanzi kubide ukuthi letinye tiphutfunyiswe etibhedlela ngalesikhathi letinye tihlangana nemindeni yato. Betindzaba ku SABC bahlangene bakhulumisana naletinye taleti-70 kute ukuva ukuthi beyinjani inhlalo yato emgodzini.
If ukudla besikuthola underground ngabe asikakaphumi namhlanje. Manje ngenxa yokuthi from Sunday sadli ikhaftini zethu masizongena as usual siphathi ikhaftini vele ze night shift sadla sangena emgodini.
Isimo besingesihle neze akukho obekujabulisa besisibi kakhulu isimo ngaphansi komgodi.
Isimo sangale phansi emgodini for lesikhathi esesihleli besingekho right. Number 1 besilambile. Number 2 there's no hygiene there. Number 3 isimogo sigcwele ngale phansi.
Bekunzima indlala yabona enesabafazi kwamele sigeze yabona singaka like 3 days yonke.
Kungumanje le mayini ivaliwe. Mengameli we-AMCU Joseph Mabuza uthi ti-70 letiphase nyonyana ye-AMCU kumele tibuyele emsebentini ngemva kwekutshelwa ngumcashi ukuthi tende njalo.
Ngandelo phakeme Pitolive kuthi umsolo wesibili ecaleni lekubulawa kwaSenzwe Meyiwa Bongandazi beka ngaphandle kwesitokisi ilanga nebusuku bonke ngaphambi kokuvuma kwakhe licala njengoba ngakushiwo. Lokucekethwe ebhukwini kucukethwe ebhukwini letinengwane liphoyisa lakhipha Ndanzi. Lokhu kuvela njengoba abameli bemsolo abathi Ndanzi wahlukunyetwa waphinze washaywa ngaphambi kokuvuma licala. Ndanzi labanye ababane babonela licala lekubulawa kwaSenzwe Meyiwa nga-2014.
According to the entries as I was following them, because he's booked back at 2:20, and he's booked out at he's being charged. I think there were also other work that was being done at the station when the person is charged, and then at 4:50, he's booked out to court. But I know from your evidence that before he went to court at 6:50 or at 7:30, he was taken to you. Am I correct?
Correct.
And according to the defense counsel for accused number 1, is that is when accused number 2 was being assaulted a day before when he was brought to you, which is the 18th when he was booked out, up to the midnight when he was booked back. Do you understand that, Canon?
Yes.
I'm not saying he was assaulted by you. I'm telling you what happened to the accused before he was brought to you.
I should have known that. He should have told me that he was assaulted.
Inspector lusha ANC solo lumektheni 50% umalunga ANC eParliament lekufanele kube bantu labasha emva kwelikhetho levelonke leminyaka lotako. Ndzabreswa thola kwe-SABC lobukele khona tisekhona usadzangena sekwemukela. Lushalo ANC solo lumektheni 50% umalunga ANC eParliament lekufanele kube bantu labasha emva kwelikhetho levelonke leminyaka lotako. Bengabili wensha ku-ANC Colin Malachi uthi lokhu sevele kuqala kulwela kubonakala kwabantu abasha etinhlakeni tonke talenhlangano lenkulu. Lolu phiko belibambe umbuthano wesifundza kuveta timfuno talo enkundleni temidlalo eBhisho eMpumalanga Kapa. Etemakethe sithola ukuthi lirandi linyukile nelicathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave. Nankake emave akho.
Umqeqeshi wamabhokobhoko ndimthembe kakhulu ezinguqu azenzayo ndinethemba elikhulu lizasinika impumelelo le ndebe yethu.
Phambili ngamabhokobhoko sibafisela konke inhlanhla sibafisela konke okuhle sithi baze na i-trophy.
Masicele nje uThixo ancede amabhokobhoko nakusesihlandla kuba naxa bephumelele bewencedwe nguye mabahlale kuye uzawubanceda.
Country Collard yena umuntu besimdinga kakhulu uligugu sibulela so uyabona u50 lapha umkhuzo wamabutho yena udriver eSouth Africa.
Sibuya naye World Cup ngebe indebe ibhalwa eSpringbok eSouth Africa yabuya.
Hayi ngiyawethemba kakhulu bazoyibamba bazobuya nawo le ndebe.
Ekumele bakwenze kumele bengayiniki ingcindezi badlale ngalendlela akade bedlala ngayo emidlalweni edlulile.
Amabhokobhoko azobuya nayo le ndebe lokumnyama ukuthi nje kumele badlale ngokukhulu ukuyimisela bangabi nalo uvalo.
South Africa mabhokobhoko we celebrate. Kusasa lokusako mina ngibona amabhokobhoko ayodlala kahle kakhulu atawuphumelela.
Lona ngombono mbukeli SABC ethethweswa ukuthi phendulela ngawo. Akasibuye ukuthi ngitiplo ngatlenzela lomuhla nsabama ngensimbi yesithu phakule kuphuma imbiteni kuLugwalagwala FM. Simothene sikubengele sikwamukele.
Lishonile Stumo lishonile mbukeli ekhasi ukuthi Tindzaba lethamba impilo ehlelweni letiphuma embiteni Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa bekahola ke lisimba letimvuna takhe la balapha ke kumasipala wemfuleni eGauteng nalapho ke bebohlela ukuthi ngabe lelihlelo lekutinsita lihamba njani kulo masipala. Ngethwe kwaloko umlalela ngalindzela nayi lethi bafunzi basesikolweni ke iLairi School Bergland embombela kulesifunda sempumalanga bathi bawulinze ngalabovu nangomdlalo ekhathi kwamabhokobhoko neNew Zealand lotawudlalwa ke kusasa ebusuku. Uleti naletinye ke mbukelo ngatlinzela ehlelweni letiphuma embiteni kulikwalakwala FM kanti ke umlalela ngasithumelela ke WhatsApp voice note ku 0656379958. Angibonge kakhulu Stumo.
Belson babe inhle mnakethu. Sithubeka lapho tolomuhla siphinze sihlangana ngalesibili enzaweni lefanako ngesikhathi lesifanako. Ngakhohlwa kubukela lethi sematheni ngabo lesithathu ngensimbi isithupha enizabamba ku DTT na ku SABC Plus. Nakwimpelasonto babe inhle. Sale kahle.